Hey, what's up guys? This is Yang. So in this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to make this. It is a decorative string ball. Can you see it? Okay, let us begin. So let's start a new file, then delete all. Add a mesh, you need to add Torus. Now under here, you can change the radius, make it thinner, because a string ball is quite thin. Like this, okay. Maybe a little bit thinner, like 0.1, okay. Okay, good. And then select it, Shift D to duplicate, and then Shift R to repeat action. So just do this. Let's create many of these duplicated objects, maybe 50. Okay. And now, box selection. Press B, left click drag, and then to select all of this, or you can also select it here. Select all, and then look for transform, object transform, randomize transform. And then left click hold to change the multiple values together like this. There you go. There you go. Okay. Temporarily disable this to get a better preview. And then you can also change the location by just a bit, so that they don't overlap each other. At least make it not obvious. You get what I mean, okay? Yeah, that's pretty much it. You did it. How long is this? About 1 minute tutorial? Almost 2 minutes. So good job guys. You did it. And thank you for watching my tutorial. If you guys like my video, just like my video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. Yang out.